Hey y'all, it's Tajala. Welcome back to my channel. This video I want to show you what I do to refresh my hair in between wash days or when I just don't have enough time to do a full wash day. So I just literally hop into the shower, let the water run down my hair. This is also how I get in on a regular wash day, but basically I'm not going to do the wash. I'm not going to do deep conditioning. I'm literally hopping in the shower to wet my hair, detangle it, and re-moisturize it. So also, as I'm letting my hair get fully wet and drenched, I also just like to gently separate large chunks of hair this is basically like general finger tangling, just to make it a little easier by time I do get to detangling with my detangling brush. And the state of my hair on this particular day was very tangled, had a lot of small knots. So what I do is I just kind of slide them up and out from each other. So don't pull strands apart, slide them out gently. Now that my hair is fully wet, fully drenched, I'm now going to drown it in conditioner. And this conditioner is Suave conditioner from Dollar Tree, grocery store, CVS. It's only $1 wherever you get it. And this is why I like to use it, because I use as much as I want. Do not hold back on this conditioner. Continue to put it until your hair is fully covered and has a ton of slip. So some of you may already know co-washing is basically washing your hair with conditioner washing. However, I do not co-wash to wash my hair. I co-wash, as I mentioned, to refresh my hair. So when wash day comes up, I'm still about to shampoo and deep condition. But during the week when my hair dries out before it's time to wash, this is what I do so that I'm able to start completely from scratch basically, but didn't have to do a full wash process. So as I noted there, I usually allow the conditioner to sit about 5 to 10 minutes, usually however long it takes to wash my body, and then I come back to my hair to section and detangle it. So I sectioned it into 2, and I'm still going to start by focusing on this back section. Y'all know I usually work in 4s, but I'm not about to spend that time to section my hair like that. So I'm just going to grab it and begin detangling from the ends of my hair, like always, because you want to always start from the ends to prevent breakage, and it makes it easiest if you focus just on the ends first, and as it's getting detangled you continue to move up. Also pay attention, I'm directly under the shower water. The shower water that's running down it as I detangle makes it so much easier to detangle. So that is one huge detangling tip I can give to y'all. And once I feel like I've gotten that back right section pretty detangled, I'm starting in the ends again as I'm moving towards the front, and then I'm going up again until it's detangled all the way up to the roots. And I'm just going to continue moving around my head. So I'm going to go even further in the front, making sure to stay under the running shower water to keep my hair kind of pulled down, detangled. But anyway, so I finished this section, and you're literally going to do the same thing to the other section. If your hair kind of dries out a little bit, which it can under the water, just add a whole bunch of more conditioner. This is why I use the $1 conditioner. It has a lot of slip, and I don't have to mind using a lot of it. So I'm starting in my back corner again on the other side of my head, and I'm making my way or my rounds to the front again. So now my hair is all blended and it's all detangled. And now that I'm done, I'm going to moisturize and seal my hair like I usually do. So to moisturize my hair, I'm going to use leave-in conditioner. This is Curls Dynasty leave-in. I don't use the same leave-in every time. I always use different brands. But anyways, it's always a leave-in. So I'm just going to apply that to all of my hair. This will moisturize my hair. Y'all pretty much already know this step from my wash day routine. And following that, I'm going to take my olive oil that I like to use to seal this moisture in. So this is the seal step. Now is when I do finally separate my hair into 4 sections. I'm only going to do this so that I could brush it and put it into the 4 braids. This is usually how I get out of my shower on wash days. So I finish off my co-wash day like this. So let me know, what do you do to refresh your hair? Drop it down below and let's help other people out. This is my method that might help for some, but not everyone. So drop your method below. Like the video, subscribe. I hope this was helpful. And as always, thank you for watching. I will see you all in my next video.